Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and we're painting the engine bay. So let's get to it. Okay, so basically I've sandblasted, as you'll see now, and we just gotta get ready to paint it. I've just welded up this little crack here because we had to. So originally the factory aircon, if you move, came with aircon, came through here, and we've located it up here. So we cut a hole, accidentally cut a little too far. Oh well. Spotted that up, gonna give that a grind down flush, and then we are almost ready to go. So I'll back the car out, give it a clean up, then we're gonna take the subframe out, and then paint time. Okay, so it's basically time to start prep washing and preparing for paint. So what I've got is prep frost in a little squirty bottle. Eventually it might start spraying, and I'll just go spray the other thing and then wipe it off. Alright, so so sorry, but I didn't film doing the primer. I had lots of gun issues and basically just it was very rushed. So my apologies, but nevertheless, it's primed up. It's got it was a bit dry, but that is what it is. So I'm just gonna go over it with some Scotch-Brite, just scuff it up a little, clean it up, and then we'll get ready for the blue. So that's the engine bay all sanded. Just did a quick scuff up. It's only an engine bay, but basically it's time to start prep washing. So I've just got a little squirty bottle and a clean rag, and I just basically spray it all down. Okay, so we are all ready to paint. It's looking good. I'm going to be pretty excited when this hopefully turns out good. We'll try our best, but anyway, let's paint! I usually do this part, I'm going to put it on the horse and I'll find it yesterday. Okay, so coat one's done. I've let it sit for about 15-20 minutes. Time for coat two. Alrighty guys, so, oh sorry I got my mask on. It's time for clear. hopefully I won't get too many runs. Alrighty guys, so that's the finished product. Came out very good. I cannot complain with that. This camera probably doesn't really do justice, but I'm very happy. So,
thanks for watching. I'm not going to sound weird because, you know, got my mask on, but catch you next time.